Okay, where's the storm?
Outside.
And where's Maya?
Inside.
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 And Mommy's inside? Who else is inside?
I inside.
Daddy's inside. And where's Isabel? Is she inside?
Yeah.
Okay. And where's the big storm? Maya? Where's the big storm?
Outside.
Outside.
We inside.
Right. So we're not going to be scared, right?
Yeah. It'll hurt us.
It's not going to hurt us. That's right, because we're inside, right?
We're inside.
Yeah.
It'll hurt us.
It's not going to hurt us.
We're outside.
The big storm is outside. What's it doing outside?
We're fireworks.
It's not fireworks. It's just raining.
We're going outside.
The big storm is outside.
We're inside.
We're inside. That's right.
Big storm, okay?
Big storm. It's outside.
Yeah.
But we're not going to be scared, right? Why aren't we scared? Because we're
Inside.
inside. That's right.
We're inside.
Fufu's inside. It's a good thing Fufu's inside, huh? That's Fufu. Oh, there's Isabel. Oh. Don't be scared, honey. Don't be scared, honey. It's okay. It's okay.
Yeah.